Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to order food on Bolt Food. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Bolt account, which of course I have done right here. That's your Bolt Food account. How to create an account on Bolt Food. Launch any browser of your choice. Locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type food.bolt.eu/an-us or just food.bolt.eu, and it's going to take you to the official website for food.bolt. That's Bolt Food. So in there, follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account. Now, after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Bolt Food. Okay, so from here, let's quickly hop into today's text. Now, you cannot see restaurants displayed right here in this Bolt Food app because Bolt Food does not support orders from Nigeria. Okay, so that was disabled as of last year. But I'm just going to show you the features that you can definitely use for you to order food on Bolt Food step by step, and you're going to love it. Okay, so from this window, you're going to have to head over to this where you have this delivery address and set your delivery address. So you're going to have to search no matter what it is, it's going to say. So once you set your delivery address, it says, sorry, we don't deliver it. But once you set your delivery address, you're going to see all the restaurants available in this homepage. So how will you be able to place an order? So after entering your delivery address and you see the list of restaurants, so enter address and building name to view available restaurants in your vicinity. So once you see the wide variety of restaurants, go ahead and click on the restaurants that you would like to order from. And once you click on the restaurant, you're going to see a window that is going to where you're going to be able to add items to your basket. So you can add items to your basket from there. Then when you have finished selecting the items, click View Basket. It's going to be shown from that home page. So click on the View Basket banner to see your order specifications. After that, you can confirm your order, remove items from the basket, add a message for the restaurant, and toggle to choose the delivery method. So once you click on choose the delivery method or the delivery method, you're going to find these options. Number one, delivery. That courier will be assigned to deliver the order to your address. Small order and delivery fees may apply. And there's another one called pickup. That means you have to fetch the order from the restaurant yourself, based on that this option is only available for selected restaurants. So once you toggle to the delivery method and you click on delivery, this is what you'll be signing up for. If it's pickup, this is what you'll be signing up for. Now, when you're satisfied with your basket and settings, go ahead and proceed to checkout. So click on the checkout button and the delivery info, add the delivery info rather, and pay for your order. Once the order has been confirmed, there is no option to cancel, amend, or switch the delivery method from pickup to delivery and vice versa. It's also not possible to change the chosen payment method. So this is pretty much how you can place the order. So from the home page, select your restaurants, add items to your basket, choose delivery method, and proceed to checkout. That's just it. So this is pretty much how you can place an order or order food on Bolt Food. Now you can go by this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.